As promised in my last blog, I'd give you a quick tour around the boat. So this video is purely for a look around the inside of what is an expensive toy that only the extremely wealthy can afford to play with. So this is a kind of exclusive. Hope the boss doesn't see it. And my next blog, by the way, will be in Sardinia. In the yachting industry, changes all the time depending on weather, depending on what the schedule of the owner is, and so right now, as far as I'm aware, we're going to be in Sardinia. So you'll see me in Sardinia very soon. Until then, enjoy the interior of the boat. Bye for now.